All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are, ladies and gentlemen. This is the best program out on the internet. Okay, you get the opportunity to make some serious money with solar energy. Okay, solar energy, the solar energy panels. Not only that, but with this particular program, you also get to tap into Brinks and ADT Smart Home Security and the travel business. If you've been looking to make a serious passive income, this is the opportunity for you. Okay? You're going to unlock the potential to earn $10,000 weekly simply by using this particular program that I put together. Okay, the company do not have a flyer. I created a flyer just for this business. Okay, and I'm going to show you the 3 levels that you can get started in this business. I know that you've all experienced this probably, whether you're in an apartment or in a home, to where there's a bad storm or a tornado or something and the power go out. Ladies and gentlemen, with solar energy, you don't have to worry about that. Okay? We're working on a crazy grid. Here in Texas, sometimes if it's so hot, they call us and they tell us to stop using electricity for 3 or 4 hours. They call them brownouts here. Okay? With your own solar energy panels, you don't have to worry about that, people. And this is a simple program. If you just mail this flyer or this postcard that I have, and I have them in 3 colors, okay? Here's the white, this is the light green, and this is the yellow, okay? You get to choose, all right? So now, let's get into it. greenenergywealth.com. greenenergywealth.com is the domain name that I went and I registered, okay? When you get started, you go to greenenergywealth.com and you simply put the code in Green Energy Wealth, all together just like what you see. Green Energy Wealth, okay? You can give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. And there's level 1 is $199, okay, and $99 a month for your website and for your hosting, okay, and for all your back office information where you see your team being built and everything, okay. But after 4 people sign up with you at either this $199 level, that's free. Just 4 people. You can do that with this particular flyer, okay? The next level is the $149 plus $49 a month, okay? The difference is that you get so much from payments from your team, all right? Right here is the affiliate level. This is free. But the max you can make is $500 to $1,000 when someone switch over to solar energy. But you don't want to miss out on all that other money. If you're a tire kicker and you're not sure, just fill in the information for the affiliate program. All right? Now, what you do is you can sign up yourself, okay, by going to greenenergywealth.com, okay? greenenergywealth.com. When you get there, click on enrollment. You're going to see this. The $199, the $149, or the affiliate. Pick which one you want to start, all right? And just fill it in. Fill out the information. But if you get this in the mail, you just check it. You don't have to send any money to me. You don't have to send out any money to me. But call me and I'll walk you through it. Now, my bonuses that I'm sending to you, my bonuses. Well, let me go over the $149. With the $149, okay, and it's $99 a month, but if 4 people join you, then you don't worry about the $99 a month. That's including national solar business. That means it's covering all the states. All right. Some solar companies only work in one state. All right. The nationwide ADT and Brinks smart home security, and your training. It's a lot of training back there. Okay. And you be a part of the Smart Money Club. Okay. And again, I say after enrolling 4 people, the monthly fee is waived. All right. And you get paid from the other 6 ways from your team. All right. It's the same thing here at the $149 and $49 a month. Once 4 people sign up with you, that's waived. Okay. The nationwide solar business. Okay. The nationwide ADT and Brinks smart home security business. Your training, okay, with that. Now the affiliate program, once you refer someone to the solar energy, bam, $500 to $1,000 per installation, okay? But you don't make money from the team. That's the big deal. You can get paid from other people's effort, okay? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. You get opportunity to earn $10,000 or more weekly just by mailing out this flyer. People are paying $200, $300, up to $1,000 just for my personal flyers. This is not my program, okay? This is not my program, but it's a program I got involved with. And this alone is enough for you to get started to get paid from the team. But if you want to test it out, just get the affiliate program. But why miss out on all that money, people? Why miss out on all that money? And look at these flyers and the postcard. This is going to be crazy. It's already crazy. Give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Help you get started, or go to greenenergywealth.com. That's greenenergywealth.com. Okay, pick out your pack and just put Green Energy Wealth, just as you see it here, Green Energy Wealth, as your code, or my website, Green Energy Wealth. It's going to take you into everything. There are a lot of training videos back there. There are videos that's going to help lead people to your site, and I'm going to personally design a video for you for this business. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. God bless.